Ready.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and end this. I love cooking, all right? And with that, we're going to enjoy this lovely meal that you cook for your king, okay? This right here is my own little recipe right here, all right? And go ahead and take a bite.
Got it.
Uh-huh. You can turn and face the camera so they can see you. Look. Okay, so you're gonna have your robe, okay, and you're gonna be able to enjoy yourself and have a wonderful meal for the one that you love. All right, thank you so much for joining us today, and we're highlighting MOLIAE Beauty. Wherever you are, if you're in Ireland, you in Australia, you in South Africa, if you in the Bahamas, definitely try out MOLIAE Beauty. If you in Egypt, how my brothers and sisters doing? I love y'all, and thank you so much for joining my brand, MOLIAE Beauty, and home. Okay, so you're going to have to take a wonderful bath. You buy that gift box kit. It has everything in it. It's all about love. And you cook a wonderful meal for the one that you love. Okay, that's family. Thank you so much. My name is Cheryl. This is Willie. Check with y'all next time.
Take care.
Bye.